it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I would totally love if you hit on that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Okay guys, and in saying that, today's video is how to make a totally glam centerpiece for your dining room. So we are in my dining room at the moment. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you everything I used and how I styled it and what my table looked like before and where I got the idea for this. And yeah, hopefully this inspires you to do some centerpiece for your dining room. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what I did. Okay guys, here's all the stuff that you'll need. First off, my inspiration was these Ross Bling pumpkins that my beautiful friend Betsy Ann sent me. I am so in love with them, but I really wanted to do something really special. So last night when I was at Micheal's, I went into their floral section and I got these here. I guess it's like eucalyptus. They have this really pretty like pale gray and a little bit of purple. I think these are so beautiful. They were $7.99 and they were also 50% off. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these pine cones here, and they're pine cone picks, and they're actually from their Christmas section. So they were originally $2.99. I did not get these on sale, but I actually got 6 because I will use them again and again. And then these here, I think these are called lamb's ears. They're really pretty. These I had from last year, and I'm pretty sure that I bought those at TJ Maxx. And these could be remnants of something that I had from last year, because it does look like I cut them down, but we are gonna use those too. And then I wanted to show you these. These are absolutely gorgeous hydrangeas. Like, the camera is not doing them justice. They are so pretty. They have this beautiful like sheen to them. They're almost like a satin or velvet. And I love that they have that little touch of glam in them. And they were originally $12.99 with 50% off, and I got 4 of those. So those 4. And then these guys, my DIY, these are from last year. They're just those foam pumpkins, and I added the rhinestones to them and painted them white and silver last year. Last year I actually used them at each place setting, but okay. Then you'll need a runner. I got this runner here. I had it. I already had this runner. And it's got a beautiful woven pattern to it. And it's got a lot of this glitter in it. So we're going to use that. Okay, here is the finished product. I think it came out really pretty. I like how everything combines together, and I'm absolutely in love with my bling pumpkins. So I hope this gives you an idea for your dining rooms. And yeah, there it is. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. I really hope you liked this video. I tried something different. I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or not, but give this video a big thumbs up. If you like this kind of video, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.